These 5-minute energy bites are so easy, so tasty, so sweet, and do not have any refined sugar. We'll start by mashing a ripe banana. Bananas are great for your heart and great for your blood pressure. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this will provide us with sweetness without any refined sugar. Then add half a cup of applesauce. Apples are filled with antioxidants and fiber, which are great for your digestion. Then add a quarter of a cup of almond butter. Almonds have magnesium, which are essential for your muscles and your bones and your energy, and that is something so many of us do not get enough of. Mix that all together. Then add a teaspoon of cinnamon. If, like me, you eat a lot, make sure to get the Ceylon. But regardless, cinnamon is great for managing your blood sugar and your blood pressure. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which provide vegan omega-3s that are anti-inflammatory and great for your digestion. And then add a cup and a half of oats. I like rolled oats for this recipe, but regardless, oats are one of the healthiest grains on earth. Mix that all together and then take about a tablespoon's worth and form them into little balls and put them into the refrigerators to set. Tell me, would you pop one of these vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free energy bites into your mouth? Let me know in the comments below.